Okay guys, so I'm at my car and I want to show you the two stains that were here. Here is one stain. You can see it very clearly right here. I can't get this out. This is nothing here. And there's a splat right there, which stained the paint. Hopefully it's not, didn't go.
Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today we're doing a review and also some work to my car. So stick with me, stay tuned. I got some bird, you know what, on the hood of my car and it stained it. I had it on there for a couple of days. I didn't realize it. Went to the car wash and disaster. I got a stain on there and I can't get it off. So this here is supposed to be really, really good. Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. This is what I purchased. I think I went online, read the reviews. It's safe, clear coat safe. Do a couple of applications lightly and carefully. Has a light compound in here, so we'll see how that works. So hopefully it's going to work with guys. So we're going to take a look at that. So stick with me. Watch this video if you have some, you know what, bird on your car. Also, these microfiber application sponges. I ordered those as well. I got 12 of them. They're right here, all set to go. And I know they're microfiber and they're like a nice soft sponge, and you can do circle motions with this here, and then you can save these to do other applications, clean your headlights, things like that. These are really good to have, really handy around the house, and they're washable, reusable, and stuff like that. So that's what the video is about getting that stuff off my car. I think this stuff is going to be good. We're going right out to the car right now. Hopefully, Meguiar, you stand up to what everybody says. Hopefully you can take these off the car, because if not, we're talking a couple $1,000s just to get this fixed. It is terrible what happened. All right, let's go see what happens. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, guys. If you enjoyed this type of video, leave me some comments down below if this works for you. I don't know. Hopefully it does. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Just do a couple of light applications and just carefully and just rub it in circles and lightly rub it off, and hopefully it'll just take off enough to get deep enough to get that stain out. You'll see it in a minute. I'm going to show it to you. You won't believe it. It was ridiculous. So hopefully this is it. Leave me some comments if you think this is the right way to do it, or if you have another suggestion, let me know. Leave me some comments. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. As always, I appreciate your time as always. And this is all about automotive today. Thanks for watching. Let's get out to the car.
Okay guys, so I'm at my car and I want to show you the two stains that were here. Here is one stain. You can see it very clearly right here. I can't get this out. This is nothing here. And there's a splat right there, which stained the paint. Hopefully it's not, didn't go below the clear coat. We'll have to see, hopefully not. And the second one was right here. So right here, you can see that one right there. The light's difficult, but you can see it right there, right here as well. You can just see that. Better at the angle. You can really see it. The angle's better. So that's one here and the other one. So we're going to try this and see if it works. Hopefully it works. Let's try it. Okay, so there it is. There is right there. I have my sponge. I have my compound, and it says just add a small amount, circular motion. Don't let it dry, and then wipe it off. That's what they're saying the process is. So we'll see. First, oh Jesus, everything went flying everywhere. So shake it up first, which I did. We'll shake it up again just to make sure. This is a small amount right there. That's too much, of course. Thing is splashing all over me. Jesus, splashing all over me. All right, let's see. Hopefully this will work. That's too much. I wouldn't put that much on, but let's just put this on like this. Circular motion, it said. Like that. Not too much, not too hard. Like that. I can see it working it. Let me just see how that looks. A little bit more. All right, let's do that. Now I have a dry one here. It says to dry it off right away, which I'm going to do. Oh my, look at that. Whoa, it's still there, but a lot better. I think it's a lot better. Yeah, it definitely is fading. I can see that. Let's get another angle so you can see better. So you can see, so it's still there. So let's try it again, a little bit, another application. Honestly, you really have to be in the up angle to really see it. It definitely took some of it off, for sure. Let's do it again and just try to work that in a round circular motion. A little bit of pressure. Like that. And then let's wipe it off like it said. Let's see. It's definitely coming off, guys. You can see that. Now, that was much worse before. This is definitely working. Okay, this stuff is a game changer. You can see that just a little bit right there. And we'll do one more application, and I think I'll take care of that, which I am very impressed, because I had some other compound that wouldn't do it. Again, too much. Stuff comes out like crazy. And we'll just rub it in. Too much. That's okay. You know what I'm talking about. and just work it in. Put a little bit of pressure, not a ton of pressure, a little bit of pressure. You don't want to go too deep like that. You want to keep doing multiple coats and just see how you're working with this and see how it's coming out. Well, I think it's just about gone. Drop right there. I got enough on here, actually. I can just work it. Right there. Like that. And let's just dry it up. And that is gone. Yeah. Wow. That is amazing. That is gone. That is gone. You can see that's gone. So it did work live right in front of your face. That is amazing. Recommend 18 bazillion%, guys. Definitely pick this up. It's gone. Let's do the other one. Let's just see how it works on the other one. Okay, guys, so you can see that. Sorry about the shop light, but I want you to really see. This is the second one. And let's just put a little bit on there, not too much. And we're going to do the same application. Too much. Keeps coming out. It's ridiculous. But this angle, you can actually see better than I can. So I'm just going to wipe it around like that. Circular motion, just like it said. Don't let it dry. Work it around. Actually, I have a scratch up there too. I'm going to try to get that out. Like that. Let it dry, and then just get it right off. Buff it right off. Let's take a look at that. A lot better. Wow. This stuff definitely works. As you can see here, it's absolutely amazing. Amazing, amazing. Let's see. You can just see how it's gone, and I couldn't get it off, believe me. Rub it around. Perfect, perfect, like that. A little bit of pressure, and then wipe it up. Microfiber is very important, so pick up this stuff here, guys, and pick up this compound. And it is gone. That is gone. Look at that. Now I have a scratch up there. I wonder how it works on scratches. Let's try this light scratch, then we're going to wrap up the video. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, guys, let me know. Leave me some comments down below. Also, I'll leave a link down below for this and the sponge here. I'll leave a link down for both of these things. It is a affiliate link, but I do get a small commission, as you do know, and costs you nothing. That does help me out. And hopefully it helped you out, because this would have cost me, I called the Lexus dealership, like $1,500 to fix this. Okay guys, I'm gonna do one more run on this scratch here. A little scratch right here, which is bothering me. A little bit of this compound on there. To the side. It splashes everywhere. Let me get my... Okay, so let's just circles. Like that. A little bit. I'm at a better angle now, so I can get some better pressure on this. Just circles. Like that. And then buff it out. Yeah, that one's pretty deep. Looks like that one's not coming out. But that's okay. Try it one more time. Give a little more pressure. Right here around the line. Yeah, it took some of it out. All right. Not bad, not bad. All right, so you get the idea, guys. So deep scratches, not so much, but definitely bird poop, it worked. Okay, guys, well, you saw what it did. I like it. This is definitely the way to go. I'm definitely going to recommend this 1,000%. Definitely pick this up, and definitely pick up these Microfiber Plus, these little sponges. Definitely work. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day, and I'll see you at the next review.